So, my awesome little Zisha has been wanting one of these 5 surprises. And for a little while, I didn't know what he was talking about. And we went to Walmart a couple of days ago, and we looked everywhere. And he's like, I know they're here. They're right there. They're right there. And we couldn't find them. So we went back, and we found them. And there are supposed to be 5 different things in there that will surprise you. And there are how many toys that you can collect? How many?
I don't remember.
How many did they say? You could collect how many toys?
1,000.
No.
100.
What was it? You remember, you said it. That's a lot to collect.
That's a lot to collect.
Yeah. How many was it?
69.
I think it's on your 5 surprise. 150 toys to collect. And Zisha is just now trying to open this and do this by himself. He's been waiting. He says, I want to be a YouTuber video so that I can unbox.
What?
What?
I unwrapped it like that.
Yeah.
Can you peel this piece off? Can't do this piece. It's hard to do this piece.
You can do it.
How do you bend this? Dad, can you help me?
Let me see.
There we go.
You got it? Yeah.
I'm doing a different side. That's how I'm doing it. Wait, what?
Get some? Oh, it's so close, isn't it? Let's take a closer look and see what he's got going on there. I see. The rest of that little stuff isn't peeling off as easy, is it? Let me know if you need any help.
I need help.
You need some help? Okay, let's take a look here. Let's
Looks
see
like
if I can pull
really-
this a little bit for you to get a hold of it.
I'm gonna help you, Dad.
Now, you see if you can pull the rest of that.
Dad.
There you go. You got it.
Ooh, there's the top.
There's the top. Oh my gosh, that's where you open it from?
Yeah.
So once we get this plastic off, that way it doesn't fall apart, I guess, when they ship it.
What? This is still hard.
Let me give you one more shot at that.
So hard to open.
It is.
Yeah, with your fingernails.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is where you open it.
All right, let's take a close look. What do you think is in there?
Maybe my spider that I wanted.
Your spider?
Yeah. There's a spider plastic. How do you get this top off? I'm doing the right thing, but it's not going off. Let me put this in the garbage.
All right, let's take a look at this thing here again.
Put it in my garbage bin that I ate all my chips.
I don't know.
There we go.
Oh, wait, let me see this. What is this thing here? That's the top? It's like a plug that holds it all together?
Yeah, it holds it all together, but it's not open.
Whoa, and those all fit into there. Is there something else that you have to take off now?
Yeah, I need to take off these.
What is that on there?
Those are the holes to put this.
Oh, no, wait,
on.
look, there's more plastic thing on it.
Yeah.
How are we going to get that off?
How are we going to get this off? This is hard and plastic.
Should we get a knife or something?
Yeah.
All right.
Or that might break it.
Here, let me try to pick at it.
Oh, there's more plastic. Oh. So the plastic was holding it together. I didn't see through. Don't cut my fingers off.
I won't cut your fingers off. Can you hold the ball? And I'll just scrape the plastic on this.
That'll work.
All right, there you go.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, there it goes. Let's get. Oh, that stuff is sticking to my hand. Look. Ooh, a magic.
No, the plastic is magic.
Oh, the plastic is?
Now it's opening.
Oh my goodness. Wow, it opens. It looks like an orange when it opens.
Yeah.
How many's in there?
5.
Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, nice. And now there's even more to open?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. I think there's a little tab right here.
Tab? Oh, yeah. Supposed to open it with a tab. Oh, a hot dog.
What is it?
This is a sticker.
A hot dog sticker?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's attacking.
Whoa, it's
A
like a zombie
pizza.
hot dog.
Oh, and look, I have a pizza too. And look. Those are all the things. Wait, I already did that one. Whoa. What?
Oh, that one fell apart.
What? I never saw a shark on that screen. Wait, you're supposed to build the shark.
Oh, cool. Is there something else in there, though, isn't there?
Yeah.
Oh, there's the instructions. How to build your shark.
There we go.
That's pretty cool, Zisha.
I already know it to make it. But it's just like that. What? How do you make this together?
I don't know. We'll do another video about how to put them together.
Wow! Look at this. Look at that.
What is that? Put it over here by the camera so I can see. What is it? It's too close. Is it slime? It's too close.
It's not slime.
What is that? It must be, there's more in there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's more in there.
Oh, this is a zombie.
It's like a zombie guy.
Yeah.
Oh, and look, this is what you do with him. I see.
You're supposed
You
to...
can stick him to that, and he stays up, standing up.
Dude, you could take
His head came off.
Yeah, you could take his head off. I knew you could do that.
Here, watch this.
That's so cool.
You can put his foot in here. And then he stands up. Watch.
Water balloons.
Yeah, water balloons.
Yeah, we already have one of those.
We should get some water in those and go throw them at the road and watch them blow up.
Yeah, just like grenades.
Grenades.
Well, throw them at grenades. What?
You wanted a dinosaur.
No, I did not.
Cool, another dinosaur we can play with in the tub.
And the shark.
And a shark, yep.
And we'll
Cool,
film.
those are your 5 surprises.
Wait,
Water
that's
balloons.
all?
That's all, 5 of them. You got 3 stickers, a shark, and a dinosaur, and a zombie guy. And what's your... Oh, the last one is balloons. That's pretty cool. What do you think about that, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, I didn't get the spider I wanted.
Yeah, it's a surprise though, isn't it? Huh?
And I didn't get a skateboard. Ooh, so I got that one.
You show the camera?
Yeah. Got that one.
Cool.
And I never get a spider. Wait, I don't have that. I don't have zombie dogs. I do have a shark that I could build. And I don't have cars. I don't have a skateboard.
No. We can come across that. We'll
And
get
I
more of
have
these. How about we get a couple of these for Hanukkah or something, huh?
Yeah.
You get one of those for Hanukkah and have 5 surprises?
Yeah, everywhere.
Yeah, all 8 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, how do you...
Well, Zisha, Mom just called, and I'm going to let her know that you got a 5 surprise. Do you want to say goodbye to all your YouTuber fans?
Yeah.
All right.
Bye,
Come up over
bye.
here. Over here.
Bye.